reproductive and production characteristics. So, cattle, in scientific name, it is Taurus, and the Carabao, it is Bubalis bubalis. Bubalus bubalis are significant livestock species globally contributing substantially to food production. So, however, they exhibit distinct reproductive and production characteristics. So, exhibit distinct means it describes something that shows or possesses clear differences. So next is I will discuss the reproductive characteristics. So this includes the age at first calving interval, gestation period, and the reproductive efficiency and the multiple births. So first is age at first calving. Who can read? Who wants to read?
Age at first calving. Cattle generally reach sexual maturity and first calving earlier than carabaos. Breed variations exist within both species.
So, age at first calving. So, but the cattle typically calve for the first time between 15 to 24 months. While yung carabaos, they make 24 to 36 months or even longer. So, calving means it is the process, this is a process to give birth of a baby. So, next is the calving interval.
So, calving interval, the time between calving is shorter in a cattle compared to carabaos. So, cattle typically have a calving interval of 12 to 15 months, while carabaos often a longer interval ranging from 18 to 24 months or more.
So, calving interval, it is the management practices significantly influence this interval in both species. So, calving interval means it is the process, refers to the period of from one calving to the next calving. So, next is the gestation period. So, what to read?
Gestation period, while there is some variation depending on the breed, cattle have a gestation period of approximately 283 days, whereas carabaos have a slightly longer gestation period, around 300 days.
So, alam nyo naman guys, kung ano yung gestation.
Yes!
Gestation, it is also known as pregnancy period.
Yes!
So, hindi cattle, yung gestation period is up to 280 days, while yung carabao is 310 days. So, next is the reproductive efficiency.
Reproductive efficiency. Cattle generally exhibit higher reproductive efficiency than carabaos due to factors such as shorter calving intervals and higher consumption rates.
So, however, this can be influenced by breed, nutrition, and management practices. So, it is the genetic selection for improved reproductive traits for advanced in cattle than in carabaos. So, next is the multiple births. So, multiple births, it is the twin births are more common in cattle than in carabaos. Kasi possible yung cattle ay nagkakanak siya ng 2, while yung carabaos is isa lang. Possible na magkaroon.
Why?
Yung sa reproductive siguro yung parang sa genetic. Opo, isa lang.
Okay.
So, do you understand guys what is reproductive difference? Okay, so let's proceed to the reproduction characteristics. So, this includes the milk production, and the feed efficiency. So, first is milk production. Miss Calva?
Milk production. Dairy cattle breeds are selectively bred for high milk production. While carabaos also produce milk, their milk yield is generally lower than the high-yielding dairy cattle.
So, and also, the carabao milk it is known for higher fat and protein content. So, alam naman natin yung cattle, it is generally more influent to
Ay, wait lang. Sabi ko lang ni Mami sa akin kaya na kayo.
Production. So meat production, it is called cattle and carabaos are raised for meat. So the meat production, the meat quality are tenderness, flavor, and etc. So it can vary depending on the breed, age, and the feeding practices. So next is the draft power. You can read this word.
So draft power, carabaos have historically been used extensively for draft power in agriculture, although less commonly used by not many areas.
So draft power, kasi yung carabao ay mas malakas sa cattle. So like for example, in the mga yung sa nagpa-farm ng palay. So dapat nga kung bago sila nagtanim ng palay, so nag-aralan muna sila. So they use the carabao. Kasi yung carabao, it is the, meron siyang malakas to pull the heavy machines like plow or harrow. Yes. So next is the
Machine.
feed efficiency. You can read, Miss.
Feed efficiency. Carabaos are often considered more efficient at utilizing lower quality roughage than cattle.
So feed efficiency, this is an important factor in regions where high quality feed is limited. So robust means it is the refers to feed that are high in fiber and relatively low in this digestible energy. So for the overall for this study, it is the cattle and carabaos differ significantly in their reproductive and production characteristics. So cattle are generally more efficient in terms of reproduction and milk production. So particularly specialized dairy breeds. So while yung carabao, it is the possess strength and areas such as draft power and potentially meat quality in certain breeds. So both species are essential for maximizing their overall productivity and contribution to food security. That's all.
Okay, please one mag-ask question dito sa student. Mag-ask question kay
So
Mama.
do you have any question, guys?
Kaya lang mga mag-ask question mo kami mamaya.
So, based in our lesson, ano yung naiintindihan nyo about this lesson? Anyone?
So about characteristic of the noun.
Kanito?
The duty of cattle and carabaos.
Okay, very good. Next, other idea? Please start.
So, we tackled about the comparative performance of cattle and carabao, wherein ang cattle mas ang appropriate siya for milk production compared to carabao, kasi yung carabao dili man siya ingalagap ay mas higher ang milk production ng cattle